Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to block cookies in Chrome on your PC. Cookies can track your online activities, so blocking them can help protect your privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC by clicking on its icon in the taskbar or desktop. Step 2. At the top right corner of the Chrome window, click on the More button. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand menu. Step 5. Select Third-party cookies from the options. Step 6. Under the Default Behavior section, click on Block Third-party cookies. By following these 6 simple steps, you can easily block cookies in Chrome on your PC, enhancing your online privacy and security. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tutorials and tips.